days I don't
Good morning, guys! Happy
Halloween!
And nakaganito siya kasi may gagawin siya sa channel niya. So, please, Happy Halloween, Zach. Say, please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to my channel.
What is your channel?
All Things Holly.
All Things Holly. So,
Happy Halloween.
si Kuya. Happy Halloween, Kuya. And maganda yung weather ngayon. Pero mamaya hindi ko alam kung maganda pa. So, and si Holly, gusto ko siyang make-upan ng black eye lang dyan, tapos lipstick, para magmukhang Halloween siya sa kanyang channel. Kasi may gagawin siya sa All Things Holly. Okay, try ko lang. So, tingnan natin. Meron ako ditong...
Give me a vampire.
Aba,
Give me Elsa. So I can wear
Elsa, not
this.
Elsa.
Mom, so I can wear this. Which one I'm having?
Huh?
Which one I'm having?
Wait, I'm looking, Baba.
And now lipstick as well, please.
Lipstick, my
Yeah.
God. So, gagamitin ko yung kung anong meron lang ako dito. Wala akong pulbo na puti. Puti naman talaga ang
I
pulbo.
can't wait what it is.
Huh?
I can't wait what it is.
Okay.
You know what it is.
Meron tayong black. Black eye lang naman ang gagawin ko kayo.
My eyelash.
So, gagamitin ko kung ano lang meron ako. Meron ako ditong loose powder. Hugasan ko agad ang mukha mo after ng...
I'm having vampire.
mamaya sa All Things Holy. What's that, sa?
I'm having vampire.
Hindi ko pinagamit mo na yung costume niya kasi
And what's mine is?
madudumihan.
Mom, what's mine? What's mine gonna be?
Gonna be,
Skeleton.
yung black eye lang sa'yo na.
Black eye.
Yung parang hindi ka natulog.
Why Elsa?
Gusto niya talaga si Elsa. Why hindi nga ako marunong? Okay, open.
Black
Yeah, you have to wash your face right away, Baba, later, huh?
After show.
Yeah, after you film,
I'm
okay?
not. I'm waiting until I get dressed.
Yeah, you're gonna get
Wait,
that.
Mom, we don't. Mom, that's too much.
Where is it?
Zach, do you know?
Let me see, Baba.
Max's party.
Who's
No,
Ma?
it's not a party. Max, it's not a party. What is it? It's at the Bay Golf Club.
Yeah, it's a kids
Yeah.
party.
Yeah.
Halloween costume party.
Yeah, whoever wins. I don't look very nice. Holly looks not like a face, so can I show Dad? No, wait
Yeah,
until
later
Dad's
pa.
here. I know.
So kahapon, nakita namin yung nagtuturo sa kanila ng swimming lesson. Kung gusto raw nila pumunta sa golf club dito sa Bay. Kasi mayroong party, kids party, costume party, ha?
I saw Willow go past Cars of the Mount when I went to the shop.
Today?
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait,
So
Let me see,
whoever
Baba, look.
wins, it wouldn't
Wow!
never won before.
Oh, yan na lang, Baba. Hindi na siya puputi. Ganun lang talaga. Next ay black. Black eye lang talaga, Baba. Let me see, Baba.
Is that blue?
This is black.
Holly.
This is black. Okay, Baba.
Bubba,
Close your eyes,
close
please.
your eyes.
Black eye.
Mm,
I'm looking.
it's not working.
Yes, it is. I can see a bit. Yeah, I can only see a bit.
Let me see, Baba. Gusto ko sana black na black. Wait lang.
Black eyes.
Come, Baba.
Ah, that looks scary. Actually, it doesn't.
Baba, you know what, Baba?
What?
I don't know what Mommy's doing. Come here. Nagkontrol ka pa. Wait, Baba. Ano ba yan?
We will be almost finished by now. We know how to makeover.
Come on, Papa. Ano ang gagawin natin dito sa may ilong mo? Napawa.
It looks scary.
More?
Wait. Ano ginawa ni Mami?
It looks so nice.
You look so nice.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. But it looks scary. It looks scary now. But you look like a cooker or scary. Do you look like a vampire or scary?
I don't know. You look like you don't have a sleep. You like it, Baba? Good. Go. Wait, don't move. Let me see. Ano na ba yan, Baba? Wait. Come on.
Mom, can I show that to...
Ayan na siya, guys. So, wait, Baba.
I'm next.
Do you want lipstick?
Yes, please.
You want? Okay, wait.
I'm next. No. I'm next. No. I'm next. Mom, can I do fix his hair? Oh, you. I'm next. Yeah, you want me?
Okay, honey. You like it?
Yeah.
I want an eagle on me.
Gusto niya na magpa-ano din. Meron siyang
Vampire.
Wait. Okay, share to them. Ayan na, guys. Oh, wait. Si Sak gusto niya May costume ka, Sak!
What?
You have your own costume, right?
Yeah, but only for the show. No, for the when we're making the Halloween.
You're gonna wear that one.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna wear it on top.
Okay. Pinatype sa akin ni Sak na
Wait, did I
vampire.
choose what vampire?
Wala, hindi ako marunong magganyan-ganyan, Sak. Ganito na lang kay Holly. Tsaka wala tayong white powder. Okay?
I haven't choose.
I cannot do that, Baba.
No, wait.
Hurry up, because we're gonna film,
Okay,
Sak.
just do the vampire one.
Just like this, I'm gonna draw a line.
But you're gonna do that.
See. So, gusto niyo magpalagay ng powder. Okay, wait. Sana pala bumili ako ng face painting. Next time. Kasi si Zach gusto niya. Game siya sa ganito eh. Si Kuya Tuy nagtatawanan siya.
I'm going for it.
Wait for your tongue.
You want over his eyes.
Right.
In his mouth too.
Hurry up! Yeah! Come on, hurry up! No, it's not now. Okay, I'll delete it. Come on.
Delete it now.
Okay, it's alright now.
Delete it.
I did. Okay.
No, he did.
Okay ka na? Nakakaderi. Don't do that again.
What is that? Oh, stop. Get some in my mouth.
Sorry.
Oh, you're stinging my eye.
Sorry.
Don't get my eye!
Sorry.
Ay!
Arte naman itong nagpapa-makeup.
I have to dry.
Okay. Okay, open.
Open.
Look! It's alright. Oops.
Oh, he nearly got some.
Okay.
Mom, come, I don't do that.
What?
Pet it.
Okay.
Miss him. That.
Pagka ano niya? Gusto niya talaga. Perfect yung kanyang ano.
Pet it.
I'll do it, Baba, because we have to film Baba.
That's not.
Okay.
So, did you get so cereal?
Alright.
Hey, what's this? Wait, can you put the dots on me? The vampire dots?
Ang dami niyang request. Okay.
So I turn into a
Okay.
vampire.
Alright.
So dots.
Fire.
Wait,
Okay,
not yet. I'm gonna...
vampire.
Wait.
Vampire. Is this stitches?
No.
That's a stick.
No, it's triangles.
Kaso wala nga akong ano.
What is it?
Shit.
You're a cat.
You're a
Nice,
cat,
that's
bud.
Hindi na.
What is it? Hey, it doesn't look like a vampire.
I'm just gonna put black there.
Oh, I hate this.
You hate this?
Yeah, because I don't want that block there.
It's
What
all-
is that?
Wait, just wait.
Because I'm red.
Wait. I-timelapse ko nga kayo. Okay. You want two? Baka maubusan na tayong...
No, just two there. Another one there.
Another one?
It's like a vampire.
It's like that one. Put one there and one there.
Mom,
Can
Baka hindi-
just
Just like that.
quickly that?
Alright.
No,
Oh,
just one there. I mean one there.
One more?
Mom, tell me to do it.
Mom,
Okay, tell
do
me
it
to
now.
do it.
Isa pa raw. Kanina. Ay, wait sa... Ay, nako.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Okay. Like that?
This one's bigger.
It's alright. It's alright.
Gotta color it in lately.
Ha?
Gotta color it in lately.
Gusto niya pa neat. My goodness. Baka hindi na tayo nito makapag-film sa ano, ni
Can it
Holly.
come off?
Yeah.
Nah,
But
you
it's
have to
pen.
send-
No, it's my pencil, my eyeliner.
Dad, it's
Hey, kids! Going trick-or-treating right now.
No, 5 o'clock again.
no, it does something Olivia and Tyler.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my friend is Olivia.
Nah.
Yes, it is.
Time, mommy will buy face painting next time.
And a costume of vampire.
Vampire?
Yeah.
Next year again? Vampire again?
No, this is just a decoration for what we're doing.
Okay. Oh, let me see. Okay, all right now?
No.
No.
What?
No.
Maano siya, meticuloso to si
And Mom,
Sam.
there's one there like this. Mom,
Oh, it's alright now.
Mom, there's one there like this on that picture.
It's alright.
Do it now. Do it. And I'm red there.
Okay.
2 dots.
So, and then, you want something
Do it
here,
now,
like
Mom.
stitches?
Yeah. Mom, do it now. No, I want red there.
Where?
Mom, do
Here,
it now.
red.
Like,
Where?
across my eye.
Oh.
No, just like.
Alright. Okay, sir. No, di
Will it
ba?
hurt?
No, it's just a lipstick.
Oh,
Ah.
all across my eye.
Alright.
Do it look like blood? Is it blood?
Yeah.
Like here?
That's a girl.
No, it's not, Holly.
He looks
Yeah,
like.
Joe.
He, Mom, look like. Could that look like a girl?
He
No,
does.
it's
Look at
not.
me.
No, when you put lipstick.
No. Like that? What?
It's not like straight.
That.
Oh my
Good.
God.
My turn. Me turn.
And, alright.
Do it
And
now,
what
Mom.
else?
And 2 dots there.
Okay. Come here. So, siya na nag-design ng
I'll
kanya
bite
here.
him. I'll bite him for it. There. No. Oh,
Like that.
get wrong. What you should do?
Okay. And do you want me to put something here? Like,
Stitch.
stitch here?
Yeah.
Okay. Wala, paubos na yung ating ano. Ito ba? Oh, here?
No, like diagonal.
Like Holly? Or you want yours here?
No, like
Where?
Like-
Ah, like here.
straight.
Okay.
Yeah. Now stitch.
Okay.
I'm next. I want to make skeleton.
Do stitches.
Do real stitches.
Wait, I want to have a look at vampires.
Huh? Yeah.
Wait, Daddy.
I think you know.
Man, do it
now.
Wait, what do other vampires look like? Real vampires.
I don't know. I haven't seen real ones. How can I know?
Well, you have
one?
some movies.
Hmm.
Yep, you have a cut there.
Hi, I'm next.
Now I scare the peoples. Now I scare the peoples.
Did you?
Yeah. Wait, can I have blood?
Where?
Yeah. Where could I?
Excuse me, wait.
Like blood coming down.
Like here. Okay, wait.
Hey, do I have blood?
Ay, daming request ng ating.
Yeah, blood everywhere on the top.
Where? Okay. Where?
Right down there.
Here. You want here?
Down there.
I won't see. Your costume is too big.
Like that. No, I want
Just here.
I want stitches. Oh, from my mouth.
You want what?
Yeah, I want black stitches around me and blood coming out my mouth.
I don't think so. This is enough.
Well, you can sharpen it. Or you can go the other way.
Okay.
Why does that do my chin?
That's so
Okay.
bossy. Yeah,
No.
that's enough for him. That's enough.
Hey, how come it's like a look of dots?
What's the mountain?
No.
Okay, now
Okay.
do it now.
What else?
Do it now.
What?
Do it now, Mom. Black
Black.
stitches.
Where?
Black stitches all around. No.
No,
My neck.
mountain.
Where's?
Around my neck.
Huh?
All around my neck. Stitches.
No, my turn.
It's Kuya's turn na sa... I
No,
don't
no.
have enough black eyeliner. Ulta pa to, oh. Ulta. Okay.
Here,
How about here?
No. All around my neck.
It won't see sak.
No, all.
Oh, what if just blood? Dripping blood.
No. I'll do it by myself.
Yeah.
Ay,
No.
okay.
Just around here, but not here. Not around
Okay.
me. Just like up to there.
Alright, so...
No, all around. All
Oh
around.
my
all around.
goodness. Okay.
What about his throat?
No.
Side. Like that?
Do it now, Mom.
Like, you want to be Dogman? Dogman?
You should be Dogman.
Yeah, should be Dogman.
Mom, I want to be
And then a little
Dogman.
bit. Pag-net.
My nose is itchy. Scratch it. No.
Like this.
I'll do it.
No.
Dapat pala hindi na lang kita binila ng costume sack.
Hey, my turn. Move it like that.
Is that alright now?
Is that
Are you happy
okay,
now?
do it
Wait.
now. Wait, I'm all powder.
More powder. Where?
Can I touch it? Can I do it to the Because it looks run now.
That's so bossy. Should be my turn.
Up there.
Yes, sir. Hala, hindi na tayo dito makapag-film. Naubos na yung oras natin dito.
No, no.
My kid edited it.
Okay?
Now you're on
Like a
you want to
lipstick.
some lipstick.
Mom, do this to
Little bit.
that.
Huh?
Do this to that.
Son, come here.
He needs some.
Yeah.
need some blood? Skeletons don't have blood.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do
Yeah,
a
that-
line.
Then you put it around his leg. I don't. Skeletons are white.
Okay. It's
You alright?
to that stage. Okay. It's
You
to
alright?
that stage.
Ah, here.
That's not blood. Okay.
Okay, Kuya. Hurry up because we're gonna film. My God, wala na tayo.
Don't do this to quiz
It's alright. What do you want, yeah?
Skeleton.
Huh?
Skeleton.
Like all stitches here.
Yeah.
And what you gonna wear, yeah?
For skeleton costume.
Ang liit na nun. I don't think so you will fit in that one. Yeah? You think so?
Okay. Now I'm gonna do
That's
this.
good, Zach.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ginamit niya yung ipin.
Mom, corner for your dog man.
Oh, I got blood.
Okay, Kuya, so...
Can I open?
Okay. Okay, Holly. Okay, Kuya.
And I got blood on my teeth.
What?
I got blood on my teeth.
Aha.
Simple lang po.
Cause it's gonna look so nice.
Magluloko si Kuya.
I'm bleeding.
Holly, wait, Papa.
What are you doing?
Don't do that, yeah. Just relax.
Skeleton.
Diba? Lahat lang may tahi. Kasi yun lang ang alam mo kong gawin.
Look around his neck. Dun, dun, dun. I love helping Mom.
Wait.
Look at Holly. She's getting me very down.
Dun, 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 dun.
Naputol siya.
I feel like I got something on my nose.
Wait yan. Huwag kang bumigay na naputol yung ating ano. Yeah.
Kuya, wait, you may type it up? Skeletons?
No, it's alright now, stop.
I'm helping Mom.
Masaya ako dahil ano si Kuya. Nakisali siya, oh.
That you too much.
There. Oh, can I help? No. You should
Yeah.
Okay, you can be this one, I'll be that one. Okay.
Masaya. Okay. Like it? Ayan. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Puros na lang tahi. Puros na lang tahi.
Mom, that's broken.
What's that?
That is broken.
It's alright. Let me see ya. You like it?
Mom, it's quite a lot of watch TV in there.
See? Yeah? Yeah? I know. Let me see ya.
Hurry up. 1 hour. No,
One
I was
there?
late. I
One
was
last one
late.
there. One last one.
Okay.
It's 1:45.
Oh jeez.
Is that good, TJ? No. Good. Oh, Mum will
Boy, Holly, that's enough.
One. We
That
should do one more.
One more? Ala, puno na ng tahi ang... Ay, sorry.
I just really heard that one.
Sorry, buti na. Ay, na, ano na siya. Napuputol na siya.
way. 5 more minutes.
Come on.
I feel like my whole face.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Wala na. Puno ka na ng tahi. Okay. And then we're just gonna put a little bit red. Somewhat.
Where?
Baba, give it to me, please.
Here.
No. Just some. Oh, we're gonna put it, yeah.
Just
Mm-hmm. So
do
put something.
that.
Just gonna put some red.
But that's the clearest one I can
Kuya.
see.
I'm keep doing it, so
Hindi
please.
sa busy rin dito. Ini-make upan niyang buong arms. Let me see ya. I'm gonna put something here. Just something.
Mommy, I'm busy. Kuya, I'm still doing it. Kuya, I'm still
Wait
doing
na.
it.
Hold, sorry, wait. Ito naman kasing isa.
Mommy, I'm busy.
Okay, yeah? Alright? You're happy?
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Kuya, the arms.
Holly, you know what you're gonna do to your channel?
What?
I don't know what. To your channel.
No?
No?
Yes.
Okay, here.
I'm busy. Kuya, keep doing.
Okay. Come on. Yan na si Kuya. Oh, gusto niya mga tay lang. Okay, let's go. Mag-film na sila sa Chona, sa All Things Solid. Ito yung suot ni Holly. Ito yung costume ni Kuya, teacher ni Kuya
And
sa
the pink one, Mom.
2 years ago. Ata, basta, nakalimutan ko na. And yung susutin niya mamaya para
Ma?
sa Halloween party
Ma?
ay iba naman. Yes?
Can I be the pink sprinkle?
Okay, okay.
Yay.
Guys, tapos na yung mga bata gumawa ng Halloween dessert sa channel ni Holly. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please bisitahin niyo yung kanyang channel, All Things Holly. And ayan yung bakas ng kanilang ginawa. Ayan. And si Kuya, I think light salted yan niya. Si Kuya, tingnan niyo, oh. Tinanggal niya na agad yung yung ginawa ko kasi ayaw niya raw ma-embarrass dun sa sa golf course. Si Holly, bisan ko na sila. Mamaya ko na linisan dito kasi punta na kami sa
Makeup remover.
makeup remover.
I don't want it.
I want to see the guys.
I'll put powder, yeah. Kasi tinanggal niya na, hindi masyado na.
Normal me.
Ha?
Very normal me.
Wait, Dumbo.
I thought you wanted.
This is Chona.
No, I only want it for this. Channel.
Oh wow, special si Holly. Para lang daw yun sa channel ni Holly. Okay, bisan ko na si... Okay, come on, Holly.
So I come up back like mine.
Okay.
I'm looking at a face I don't
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I